Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be transforming myself into Snow White. I have no idea why I'm talking like this, but that's probably because I just transformed myself into Snow White. So I decided to redo my Disney Princess series in the order I did them before. The first time I did this series 2 years ago, I started with Snow White, so that's why I'm starting with Snow White now. And also because Snow White's actually kind of the easiest to do. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified for when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so you want to start with blowing our hair. I'm going to be splitting our hair into 3 sections. So we have 2 front pieces and then the main portion at the back. Now my hair is blown out, so you want to go ahead and blow out your hair. And yeah, I use that Rev Air thing to blow out my hair. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on YouTube. I'm gonna post like a mini tutorial on Instagram, but let me know if you guys want a YouTube one as well. And my hair is already moisturized too, so we just put those 2 sections out of the way and we're gonna start with the back. So I'm gonna be taking my swirly curly snappy hair tie. This is like one of the very few hair ties that I have that can take all my hair. I have a full video where I did like a demo for you guys. I'm gonna link that up, or you can check down below. Anyways, I'm gonna use that to just pull all my hair to the back and do like a low puff. Click the ad at the top if you want to see the video where I did the demos on how these hair ties work. So now that we have that done, you just want to smooth your hair down a bit. Next, we're going to be taking sections and fluffing them out and doing very big twists. This hairstyle is actually pretty easy to do, and you can add in extra hair if you want more volume in your hair, or you can even use clip-ins to do it. So yeah, you can always add in extra hair to make yours bigger if you want. But yeah, I'm just doing 6 twists in my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how to do those really complicated buns that people do and it looks like it's very intricate. What you do is that you actually start from twists, or you can do braids and just simply tuck the twist in. So that's what I'm doing, just basically tucking the twist into the band that I use to tie my hair. It's going to make it look like a very intricate, very complicated bun, but it's actually pretty basic, just literally tucking in twists. It's the twists that give it that intricate look. So right now, I'm actually doing this part. I filmed it without a mirror, so I'm literally just freestyling it. I'm just tucking my twist in anyway. So you can actually do this without looking at it. You can just do this randomly. But I still went off camera though to make it look better and to redo it so it looks a bit nicer. But you get the basics. So anyway, for the front, we are going to be doing simple flat twists. If you don't know how to flat twist, there are so many flat twist tutorials. I actually have one. So I'm going to if you can click the ad at the top if you want to see it, or just watch one of the flat twist tutorials on YouTube. So we're doing a flat twist on one side and doing a flat twist on the other side. So I'm just arranging my flat twist, making sure that it looks nice and everything. Then I'm going to take the ends of the flat twist and tuck them into the band, like right above the bun. Do the same thing to the other side, and that is basically how you do the hairstyle. It's so easy and so straightforward. If there's any part of this that was confusing, let me know down below and I'll try my best to explain it better. So next, to the makeup portion, I already went ahead and wore my outfit. I got this outfit off Amazon. I'm going to link it down below. I'm using my favorite Sephora liquid lipstick in the shade Cherry Moon. Anytime I wear this lipstick, and people always ask me what lipstick I'm wearing, this is the same one. It's Cherry Moon from Sephora. Beautiful shade of red, especially on darker skin. Next, I'm going to be taking the bow. This bow also came with the outfit as well. So I'm just showing you guys the back so that you see how it looks. This style is actually very easy to do. It looks complicated at the back, but it's pretty easy if you start it with twists. You can also do braids as well. You get a really nice pattern if you do braids too. So yeah, twisting or braiding, anyhow you want it, it'll still come out really nice. I really wanted to use the original Magic Mirror clip in this video while I was editing it, but I really didn't want YouTube's copyright wahala, so I just didn't use it. But yeah, this is the entire look. thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if you guys like this video concept, and let me know if you guys want me to do more princesses. The next princess I'm going to be doing is probably Belle, and I'm going to do Tiana. Don't worry, before the comments start, why didn't you do Tiana, why didn't you do, I am going to do Tiana. But the same problem I had last time when I did Tiana, the same problem I'm having this time. It's very, very difficult to get her dress, and I don't want to make the dress this time. I actually want a good dress for the video, so I'm trying to look for a good Tiana dress. That's why I haven't done Tiana yet, but I'm still going to do Tiana. Don't worry, I want the Tiana one to be perfect, so it might take a little bit of time for me to do it because I just want everything to be on point when I do it. So you can check out my previous video where I did a 70s Barbie tutorial and everything I used. Well, I mean, I only used an apple. This outfit, the costume is from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down below, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.